This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Want to discuss the uniformity method just one more time, since it's pretty much one of my favorite methods. And here I want to discuss why we draw the line where we draw. So a quick video here, so we can see that if we take this movement in the Nifty, and this is the 2-hourly chart to be clear, there was a movement here, an attempt to move higher. This attempt ultimately fails. And then there is a subsequent movement that is more successful. As you can see here, this is more successful because we don't come back to the same lows which were here. So what we do is we take that information and we try and understand where we can draw our uniformity line. Now clearly, if you draw the uniformity line following this breakout here, this movement here in the RSI, which at the time there was no way of knowing how important this movement was, right? But we can see on hindsight that this is an important area for the stock. So the stock is telling us this RSI movement was important. So what we do is we take that breakout level there of the RSI and we just draw a simple line, something like this. And we understand that in the future, if we come back and test this level with uniform activity, as we did here, we know that's going to be good for a reversal higher. We come back and test the same line with uniform activity for the lows here. We get a short swing trade higher. We came back to test the same level here, which was the lows there, and we move higher. And we can see over the last couple of hours, same thing here, suggesting that the next swing trade is to the upside unless we end up breaking the line. And it all began by understanding, using what the RSI was telling us, that this area based on price behavior after this movement was important. So the line comes from this area based on how price behaved. In other words, if you think about it, we are using the price to tell us what is important for the instrument itself. If you are new to this concept, there should be an intro link in the description of the video. Otherwise, the full playlist has about 62 and growing list of videos. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.